Welcome to this series of 99 Seconds Wonders, where we focus on head-to-toe beauty tips as well as quick fixes to common beauty disasters. Ever caught in a static situation you can't get out of? I know I have. Sometimes I don't even know why I have flyaway hair. But I have found my own solutions to this annoying problem. It boils down to the hair care and what kind of products to avoid. Avoid plastic combs. Hair brushes with wooden handles and stiff, white bristles will avoid positive charge. Static hair is all about a build-up of static charge, so it helps to moisturize your hair regularly. Stock up your shower with hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Avoid too much washing because it strips natural oils off your hair. If you wear hats, cotton products will help. Lastly, do not over-dry your hair with a hairdryer. This hairdryer doesn't just blow-dry your hair. The nanotechnology produces ultra-fine particles to help maintain moisture needed in our hair and also removes oil particles from the scalp. If you are already out, the easiest remedy is to just slick up your hair. So remember, you can take center stage wherever you are.